Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim, and tonight we're going to do the reveal of the finished 67 Chevelle by AMT. I'll bring you down and I will explain everything. I was real happy the way this came out, and it was a fun build. And with that, I hope everybody's doing well out there in model making land. Here we go. First, we're going to run the intro as one of the Okay, here is my finished 67 Chevelle Pro Street. I didn't paint the gold, just like you see on the box. I did paint a gold because that's what I wanted to do. Just so happened it's the same, basically same color that's on the box. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Get my master planner out. So, I started this build on 7/3 and finished it on 7/30. A lot of the kit is stock. Wheels and tires come from Jay's Resin. The engine was from Texas 3D Customs. It is a 572 big block twin turbo with a automatic transmission. It's got seat belts from Kit's World, or 3D decals, which came out pretty cool. Paint is by MCW. It's gold. I don't have the number of the paint here. And then it's got a couple coats of a tropical glitz sunset candy on top of that, and then 4 coats of MCW Enamel Clear with hardener. The exhaust was done first time I've used solder, and it's got MCV mufflers on it. Shifters by MCV, gas pedal, and tachometer. I had to cut the floor and make a new trans tunnel to fit this engine in there. Trim rear wheel openings just slightly to fit these tires without rubbing. On the roll bar, I added a what looks like a foam covering for protection. Now it's by ProTech. Paint came out real nice. No sanding, no buffing. Had to cut the hood. I was hoping I could fit that engine under there. I tried. I trimmed the cross member, but it was still high. That's about it on the build. Let's see. Let me take the hood off. It fits so good. As it comes around, you can see the engine. Also, the power steering is also, the power brake booster is also by MCV. Came out real nice. Engine fit in there really pretty nice, except for the transmission, where I had to cut and make a new tunnel for it. And with that, I think I'm going to bring you down, and I will take it off the turntable and show you some more better close-ups of it. Here's some ground level close-ups. Move it back a little bit. Stance I thought came out real nice. The twin turbo 572 is detailed up real nice. I didn't do any extra plumbing on that or anything. Oh yeah, battery's also by MCV. Wired the battery in. Had to trim the top of the radiator shroud to fit that intake. Tachometer is wired in. There's the interior with the Hurst shifter with the reverse lockout. Interior is basically just an aluminum interior. There's the seat. I only put seat belts on one seat. All the chrome was done in bare metal foil. One thing I do have left to do, I keep putting it off, is the back panel. I want to do that in black there where the SS is. I will get to it before I put it away in the case. Paint came out real nice. I did not do any sanding or polishing. I did wax it afterwards. That I did do. Shot of the interior from this side. I know it's kind of dark. I'll turn it over so you can see the bottom. There is the bottom. It came out nice. At first I wasn't too happy, but as it started to get together further and further, I was happy with it. So I'll stump out right behind the rear, as you can see. Nothing fancy. Another shot of the engine from this side. Put the hood back on. Real happy the way this build came out. At the end of this, I'll have some still shots. Looking down through the windshield. It's pretty bad. Always been a fan of Pro Street cars. I had a buddy that had I think it was a 70. The last body of the Malibu. It was a 78. A Pro Street car, beautiful car. Sad, he was a good friend, he passed away. And with that, I think I'm going to finish up here. Until next time, if anybody wants a shop card and a sticker, just hit me up with an email and with your address, and I will send one out to you. I'm a little behind, but I'm going to try to get them out tonight, what I've already have. And with that, peace. Take care. Happy modeling. And I'll see you on the next update, which will probably be that Mack truck, which is going to be pretty bad when I'm done with it, but that's going to be a while yet. And I will have an unboxing of my next build. All right, take care.